Hello guys, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Okay, so if you're finding it difficult to make money online, this video is for you. So don't scroll, watch till the end. So guys, I'll be showing you guys, I'll be mentioning 5 proven ways you can make money online. Yeah, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So the number one way you can make money online is through affiliate marketing. For me, I started with this and it was amazing. I won't even sugarcoat anything for you. It was totally amazing. It depends it depends on the way you position yourself online about it. So you can make money through affiliate marketing. There is no product needed, like there is no um I mean there is no you don't need to create your own personal products. You're selling other people's products and you're getting commission for doing so. That is just everything you need to know about it. You're selling other people's products and you get commission. That is how it works. Now, the second one is you selling your own personal digital products. Yes, you can sell your own personal digital products in the sense that you can also make money from your own knowledge. Let's say, for instance, you have a knowledge about how to make money online. You can put that into a digital platform, into a digital product rather. Then you place it on a digital selling platform like Sailor, Staycut, Digistem, and so on. Nestige. Then when you place it there, then you sell it out to people to be more active and live there, that people can reach at any point in time. Even while you are sleeping, you're making your money there. That is how it works. So, and also you can sell, like, one-on-one to people on your WhatsApp status. We are still going there. So that is how that works. Number three is freelancing. Freelancing is you, sorry about that, I'm in an environment where I cannot control any noise background. I'm in my shop space, but I just have to do this video because a lot of people have been asking for this video. So the freelancing is about you using your skills. So, and where can you make money with this? You can make money on Fiverr, Upwork, even on Facebook and TikTok. Yes, you can make money there because you're using your skills. You're teaching people what you know. You're teaching people what you have upstairs. Do you understand? So, and you can do it in so many ways. Just position yourself very well online, strategically, and you're going to be making money. Yeah. So the fourth one is WhatsApp sales. WhatsApp sales, mini importation under WhatsApp sales, mini importation and drop shipping. Yeah. So on this WhatsApp sales, all you need to do is post consistently. I have some friends that on normal day, like daily, their WhatsApp status is their shop space. They don't have a shop, they don't have a physical shop, but their WhatsApp status is their shop space. So you post whatever it is, either physical products, digital products, you post it there on your WhatsApp status consistently. Yeah, so that is how that works. It is very, very simple. Yeah, it is very, very simple. And if you want me to help you out on drop shipping, I have an ebook for that. Yes, I have a prepared ebook on drop shipping that I can send to you. It is not free, it is my knowledge, so it is not free. So you're going to be paying for it. So just let me know in my DM and I will send it to you. Reach out to me and you're going to be getting it, but it is not free. Yeah. So the fifth one is content creation. Content creation is good, is amazing. It's another way people are making money daily online. It's another way Nigerians are making money daily online. Yeah. Making money online these days is not a new thing. It's not a new news. It's not a new news at all. Yes, so you can make money as a content creator by creating content consistently as well. Yes, and also you, of course, we have different social media platforms you can create content on and you get monetized: Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Yeah. So just be consistent with your um, contents, and make sure that your inch is something that you're passionate about, and at any point in time somebody can wake you up and ask you to do this kind of thing, and you are comfortable with it and all of that. So, and just position yourself well on social media platform. And I hope this helps anyway. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end. And if I'm to ask you, which of these proven ways would you go for? Is it affiliate marketing? Is it WhatsApp sales? Is it WhatsApp sales, mini importation, drop shipping? Is it content creation? Is it freelancing? Or is it which other one again? Selling your own digital products. Which one would you rather go for? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. And if you want me to help you, I own an academy whereby we help with your digital consultation. We help you to money, or we help in mentoring you, and coaching you through this journey of making money online. Because I won't lie to you, it's not something that you can do alone. It is something you can do alone if you're consistent with it, if you're disciplined, and you have a strong passion towards it. But if not, you need somebody to hold your hand. And I, Grace Awoshola Ojo, I'm the best. I'm the best you ever need. So reach out to me now and let's get started today.